Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota CHR battery. Hello everyone! Today, we're tackling a common maintenance task, replacing the 12-volt battery in your Toyota CHR. It's a straightforward process that you can definitely do yourself with a few basic tools. Before we begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and parked on a level surface. We'll also need to gather some essential items to get started smoothly. Now that you're prepared, let's disconnect the old battery. It's crucial to always start by loosening and removing the negative or black terminal first. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts. Once the negative is off, proceed to disconnect the positive or red terminal. After both cables are free, you'll need to remove the hold-down clamp that secures the battery in place. This usually involves a bolt, often 12 millimeters in size. With the old battery disconnected, it's time for removal and preparation. Car batteries are quite heavy, so lift the old one out carefully using both hands to avoid injury. Once it's out, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the cable terminals. Use a wire brush and a battery cleaning solution to remove any corrosion. This ensures a good connection for your new battery. Now, gently place your new 12-volt battery into the clean tray. We're almost done. First, secure the new battery firmly in place using the hold-down clamp you removed earlier. This prevents it from shifting while driving. Next, connect the positive or red terminal first, followed by the negative or black terminal. Make sure both connections are snug and tight. For added protection and to extend battery life, you might want to apply some anti-corrosion spray to the terminals. Great job, you've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.